everyone, how's it going? This is an Appy versus Bubble review. So at first glance, Appy provides you with making apps, websites, where you can also use integrations, chatbots, AI videos, and images. So keep that in mind. And they go through this website saying the same thing that you can make your website app within just a few some time if you just have a concept in your head. And for Bubble, it's a app builder, but they're trusted by some of the very big companies, Shopify and HubSpot being you know good signs of it. As you can see, create without AI, and you have drag and drop editor, which is good thing. You can tell your app what to do and when to do using human language, not code, all these things. Now let's look at some of the comparison. As you can see, Bubble is 92% fit, whereas Appy is 66% fit because it is missing some features, and those features are workflow management and integrations management. And then if we come down to see a bit of review, it is for Appy it's not that expensive, designed beautiful. Okay, so in Appy another problem is that resubmission, sometimes the website lags and that might sucks. And then this guy says, as bad, no more struggling with trying to learn Ruby or Python and just giving up. Okay, that's a good thing because in Bubble you don't have to code. I think it's wrong, bad review. But anyways, I would say that if you are uh, you know thinking about going with the better app, then Bubble takes the clear dub. But if you need some things like integrations, chatbots, which you might not find in Bubble, then Appy is the way to go. But mostly Bubble takes the W. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.